But he's needing boxers and socks.
Aye, I'm going to do that.
Alright. Max!
Hey guys, this is Electronic Score here, and today in this episode we will be looking at my third Lego set. No, fourth. Woo! And I think that, and also I done a story which has 402 words. Please leave a comment down below about that, my story. And yeah, let's get on with the actual video. So today we'll be showing you this fire truck, of course, and we're also going to be playing with it, but we're not going to be playing with the melting room and the lion, which still thinks is a dog, and the Obi-Wan Kenobi's General Starfighter and the mini one. So let's play with this. Okay, let's play. Oh god, seriously? And here is a 360. There, and also we'll need a support for the camera. A proper. Here we have the fire truck, so let's play! And also the minifigs are in. Who should be climbing up the ladder? I don't know. I'll be doing it. But how am I gonna get? Oh, just climb up and go. Oh, seriously? Dum 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 dum. Dum dum dum. Dum 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 dum. The building's on fire. The fire station. It's on fire. Wait, is it our fire station? What? Shh. No, ow, ooh, ow, 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 ooh. Hey, don't forget me. Oh. This is my pet gorilla. This is my pet gorilla called Jazzy. has a second face. Happy. Man, I saw it. But who cares? So yeah, that's today's play. And please subscribe. I'll tell you how to get the minifigs out of the fire truck if you want, guys. If you want. So you have to put the ladder as high as you want. I'll just put up the top pickers. Then you just delete the roof and then get whatever character you need. And bye guys, if you enjoyed this episode here, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And also, if you want to speak to me somehow, just leave a comment. Bye! Can't get this guy in! There. Whew. That's actually the end of the video.